watch and subscribe, and watch till the end to get all the numericals solved solutions. This video has a solution of exercise 2b from number 1 to number 7. Watch the questions here. Two bodies of equal masses are kept at two heights. See, one is kept at h1, another is kept at h2. Let it be h1 and h2. So h1 is given as h and h2 is given as 2h. Okay, mass of the body 1, mass of the first body is equal to m, m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to m. Since it is given that mass, two bodies of equal masses, so m1 and m2 will be equal to m. Now the gravitational potential energy. What is gravitational potential energy? Gravitational potential energy. Potential energy is used wherever there is a height. There is a reference of height. So it will be mgh1, okay, for the first body, and mgh2 for the second body. Okay, so ratio of gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh1 by mgh2. So it will be mg into h by mg into 2h. Since the body is at some height, the gravitational pull will be same. G is equal to 10. Okay, so mass and gravity will cancel out because it is same. H and 2h will cancel. 1 by 2 it will come. So the ratio is 1:2. Question number 2. Find the gravitational potential energy of 1 kg mass kept at a height of 5 meter above the ground if G is equal to 10. Simple. See, what is data given? Find the gravitational potential energy of mass 1 kg. So M is equal to 1 kg. Mass is equal to 1 kg. It's kept at a height of 5 meter above the ground. So H will be is equal to 5 meter. And it is given to take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So therefore gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh, that is 1 into 5 into 10, that is equal to 50. Okay, potential energy unit will be joule. Number 3, the question is, a box of weight 150 kg F has gravitational potential energy stored in it equal to 14700 joule. Find the height of the box above the ground. Here potential energy is given. Okay, gravitational potential energy is given. Gravitational potential energy is equal to 14700 joule. Then take G is equal to 9.8. G is equal to 9.8 Newton per kg. Newton per kg. And what else it is given? Weight 150 kgf. Okay, weight 150 kgf. So force will be mg. So m is equal to given 150, g 9.8. So it will give 150 into 9.8. It will come, let me check, it will come 1470 Newton force. So unit is Newton. Okay, now therefore gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. All the other things are given. Okay, we have to find h. So potential energy is 14700 equal to 1470 into h. So h is equal to, see, it will get cancelled, only 1 0 will be left, so 10 meter. Okay. Number 4. A body of mass 5 kg falls from a height of 10 meter to 4 meter. Calculate the loss in potential energy of the body and the total energy possessed by the body at any instant. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So mass of the body is given. Number 4. Okay, mass is given how much? 5 kg. Mass is given 5 kg. So the potential energy at a height of 10 meter. First we will find potential energy at height equal to 10 meter. What it will be? mgh. Same mgh. So this will come to 5 into, and the question is, in the question it is written, take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So 5 into 10 into height is 10, so it is giving 500 joule. Okay, now potential energy at height equal to 4 meter. So mgh, mass, gravity, height. Okay, 5 4 20, that is 200 joule. Okay, now the first question is find the loss in the potential energy. So number 1, loss in potential energy, that is equal to 500 minus 200, that is equal to 300 joule. This is the first point. देखो सेकंड पार्ट क्या है. सेकंड में क्या कह रहा है क्वेश्चन. इन सेकंड पार्ट, द टोटल एनर्जी पोजेस्ड बाय द बॉडी एट एनी इंस्टेंट. मतलब टोटल एनर्जी निकालना. व्हाट इज टोटल एनर्जी? टोटल एनर्जी एवरीवन नोस. टोटल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. This is the formula. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. But in the theory part, you must have read the total energy possessed by the body at any instant remains constant for a free fall. Remains constant for a free fall. Okay. I will write a note here, and it is important also. ये इंपॉर्टेंट भी है कि टोटल एनर्जी, जो टोटल एनर्जी होता है, जो फ्री फॉल बॉडी पे टोटल एनर्जी, वो हमेशा वो पूरे फॉल में क्या रहता है? कांस्टेंट रहता है ना. एट एनी इंस्टेंट, कोई भी जगह पे वो जब हम टोटल एनर्जी निकालेंगे तो वो कांस्टेंट आएगा. ओके, सो टोटल एनर्जी एट एनी इंस्टेंट, टोटल एनर्जी एट एनी इंस्टेंट रिमेन्स constant. Total energy at any instant remains constant for a free fall body. For free fall, direct line, for free fall. Okay, so the potential energy at h is equal to 10 meter is equal to how much? 500 joule. Therefore, potential energy at height 10, that is topmost point, topmost point. This is 4 and this is 10. Body is falling downward. Okay, so potential energy at here, this point, potential energy is 500 joule. So kinetic energy here will, potential energy is equal to 500 joule. Kinetic energy will be 0 since V is equal to 0. Therefore, total energy is equal to 500 joule. Number 5. Calculate the height through which a body of mass 0.5 kg is lifted if the energy spent in doing so is 1 joule. 1.0 joule, that is 1 joule. Take g is equal to 10. So mass is given as 0.5 kg. Mass is given 0.5 kg. Energy is 1 joule. Okay, so gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. This is 1, mass is 0.5, g is equal to 10, height you have to find. So h is equal to 1 by 0.5 into 10. So 10 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, that will be 0.2. So 0.2 meter. Number 6. A boy weighing 25 kgf climbs up from the first floor at height 3 meter above the ground to the third floor at height 9 meter above the ground. What will be the increase in gravitational potential energy? Take G is equal to 10 Newton per kg. The force of gravity on the body, on the boy, what is given? F, that is mg. Okay, so mass is given as 25 kgf. Okay, G you have to take 10, that is given. Okay, H1 is given as 3 and H2 is given as 9 meter. Okay, so increase, number 1, increase in gravitational potential energy, that will be mgh2 minus mgh1. Simple. So mass and G, that is 25 into 10, will be common. H2 is 9 minus height, that is 3, that is 25 into 10 into 6. Okay, 25 into 10 into 6, so it will come 1500 joule, 1500 joule. Number 7, a vessel containing 50 kg of water is placed at a height of 15 meter above the ground. Assuming that the gravitational potential energy at the ground to be 0, what will be the gravitational potential energy of the water in the vessel? Take G is equal to 10. So mass of the water given, mass is given 50 kg, height is given 15 meter. Okay, and the gravitational potential energy, you have to find gravitational potential energy. So gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. So m is 50, G is taking 10 and H is 15, that is equal to 7500 joule. So easy. Next part to be uploaded soon. Thank you.